Have you tried walking from VivoCity to Resorts World Sentosa, Universal Studios Singapore? Come and join me as I explore Sentosa Boardwalk. Welcome to Commuter Singapore. If you're a commuter like me, stick around because I've got some handy tips to make your journey even smoother. Let's dive in. We're going to start a journey from Harbourfront MRT Station or VivoCity. Make sure you're wearing comfortable shoes as there will be a lot of walking in Sentosa and Resorts World. Plus, bring extra clothes if you plan to swim for free in Sentosa Beach. Quick tip: if you're taking public transport, you can hop on the MRT to Harbourfront Station on the Circle Line, station code CC29, or Northeast Line, NE1, or grab a bus to get here. For those who don't want to walk from VivoCity, you have other options. Ride the RWS8 bus in front of VivoCity for only $1 Singapore dollar, or ride the Sentosa monorail located at the 3rd floor. Note that these are not included in the Singapore Tourist Pass and will be paid by cash or card. The Sentosa Express monorail is located on level 3 of Lobby L. The ticket costs $4 Singapore dollars for adults and $2 for senior and children from VivoCity and can be used to access Sentosa Unlimited for 1 day. Let's continue to walk inside VivoCity. From here, follow the sign that says Sentosa Boardwalk. VivoCity is a prominent shopping mall that opened its doors to the public on October 7, 2006. The development of VivoCity was spearheaded by Mapletree Investments. VivoCity is one of the largest shopping malls in Singapore, spanning a total retail floor area of about 1.5 million square feet. One of the standout features of VivoCity is its unique rooftop called the Sky Park. This outdoor space offers panoramic view of the city skyline and the harbor with a great view of the Sentosa Island. Now, as we step outside, we will see the Sentosa Boardwalk. It's a perfect spot for Instagram-worthy snaps. The walk from VivoCity to Universal Studios will take roughly 20 minutes on moderate pace and may take longer if you plan to take photos during your walk. On the right, you will see Singapore Cruise Center and the cable car. Singapore Cruise Center is located at the bustling harbour front. The world-famous Royal Caribbean International regularly offers voyages including Quantum of the Seas and Voyager of the Seas. Dream Cruises also embarks from Singapore Cruise Center. Apart from the harbour front, Singapore boasts another gem, the Marina Bay Cruise Center. This architectural masterpiece welcomes some of the world's largest cruise ships and provides passengers with stunning views of Singapore's iconic skyline. The cable car ride costs $3 for Singaporeans and $15 to $35 for foreigners. Before you step onto Sentosa, consider grabbing a Sentosa Fun Pass. It's not just a ticket, it's your key to unlocking exciting discounts on attractions, making your island adventure even more enjoyable. The Sentosa Boardwalk is 700 meters long and walking will take anywhere from 7 minutes brisk walking to 15 minutes on a leisurely walk. There are also walkolators that can help families walking with kids and elderly, and a covered pathway to shield from the sun and rain. On the left, You will see the Sentosa monorail leaving the stations in 5 to 10 minutes interval. It is free to enter Sentosa via the boardwalk. Once you enter Resorts World, using the monorail is free and unlimited unless you exit again on VivoCity station. The Sentosa monorail schedule is from 7 a.m. to 10 p.m. on weekdays and 7 a.m. to 12 midnight on weekends. There are also a free shuttle from 10 p.m. to 12 midnight on weekdays. The monorail stops on 4 stations, namely VivoCity, Resorts World, Imbia, and Beach Station. If you're just planning to go to Resorts World, SEA Aquarium, or Universal Studios, you can just simply walk around Resorts World Station. But if you plan to swim at the Sentosa Beach, or plunge to more exciting activities such as Wings of Time, go bungee jumping in Sky Park Sentosa, or walk the scenic park of Fort Siloso, you can ride the Sentosa monorail or ride the Sentosa bus to Beach Station. Don't worry if you don't have a hotel in Sentosa and you want to swim. There are free public shower areas to change your clothes. We've reached the waterfront dining area. Take a breather, grab a refreshment, and enjoy the beautiful waterfront views. It's a perfect pit stop on our stroll. From here, it will only take 5 minutes more to reach the entrance of Sentosa. You will know that you're already in Sentosa once you see the giant sign on the left side. Here are 6 things to do for free in Sentosa. Take a photo at the Universal Studios Singapore globe icon. Play beach volleyball with the beach courts. Immerse with the serene walk in Fort Siloso and Fort Siloso Skywalk. Swim in Sentosa's 3 beaches, namely Palawan Beach, Siloso Beach, and Tanjong Beach. Watch the Sentosa Musical Fountain and Sentosa Skyjet, and navigate for free with the Sentosa bus and Sentosa tram. Meanwhile, here are the top paid things to do in Sentosa. iFly Singapore for $89, Universal Studios starting at $59, Dolphin Island for $53, SEA Aquarium for $29, Trick Eye and Adventure Cove Water Park for $28 each, Madame Tussauds for $21 and Mega Adventure Park for $20, Sky Park Sentosa starting at $15, and Wings of Time for $16. If you will enter Universal Studios Singapore, here are the top things to do. Stroll down the Walk of Fame on Hollywood Boulevard and the sidewalks of New York. Enter Sci-Fi City with the Transformers The Ride, Accelerator, and Battlestar Galactica roller coaster ride. Wander in ancient Egypt Revenge of the Mummy and the Treasure Hunters. Explore the Jurassic Park with the Canopy Flyer, Dinosaurian, and Jurassic Park Rapids Adventure. Enter the fantasy world of Puss in Boots, Shrek, and the Minions. Universal Studios is open from 11 in the morning to 6 p.m. or 10 in the morning to 7 p.m. or 8 p.m. during peak season. SEA Aquarium is open from 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. And finally, we are here in Universal Studios. Wipe that sweat and pat yourself in the back for a great exercise. Enjoy your adventure in Sentosa!